Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a look at the incredible Insta360X3 128GB vlog kit, the ultimate 360 action camera that is perfect for all your adventures. This camera is truly a game changer, combining 5.7K 360 with all the power of a 4K action camera in one compact and versatile package. With the ability to capture 360 active HDR video and easily reframe your shots in the AI-powered Insta360 app, the creative possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're into motorcycle riding, winter sports, or just capturing epic moments in your daily life, the Insta360X3 has you covered. And with flow state stabilization and horizon lock algorithms, your footage will always come out smooth and level, no matter what you're doing. Plus, the included 128GB microSD card means you can start shooting right out of the box, and the 114cm invisible selfie stick allows for epic third-person perspectives that will take your content to the next level. So, if you're ready to take your vlogs, action shots, and adventures to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Insta360X3 128GB vlog kit today. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this game-changing camera. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on capturing epic content. See you in the next video.